What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to take you through something that I talked about previously. Maybe like a month ago, I've talked about Sponge V2, the launch and everything that was really coming with it, everything that did go with it. And I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on where things stand with it, as well as some more information if you guys want to kind of dive into it or you're interested in something like this. Because honestly, the altcoin season hasn't started yet. And this is a part of that, right? It's obviously not Bitcoin. Everything else is considered an altcoin. So we know that meme coins have received a lot of money, a lot of hype, a lot of attention, and where we can go with this will be pretty decent, a pretty decent place as long as we do see that volume continue to flow into meme coins and the altcoin market. But anyways, we're going to talk about Sponge V2 in this video and give you all the updates you need. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about the links for Sponge. Again, all of those links will be down below in the description for you guys if you want to check it out for yourself. But going into the website, you're going to see, right, missing out on Sponge 100x pump in 2023, which they did have. And now's your chance to buy Sponge V2, launching on bigger and better exchanges. So right now, the total amount that is staked and bridged, you have about $30 million that's staked and bridged. The current price of V2, which we will go through, is 0.00 or 29% of a penny versus where V1 launch price was at. And the price increase for where that stands is 11,800% of an increase. Now you can go ahead and buy, how to buy and stake. I can show you guys everything as we go into CoinMarketCap, but you can get that information as in here. You can go into the white paper, understand the roadmap. Again, we'll go into that as well. Bigger and better absorbing all damn. Buy and stake Sponge using the button above and start earning rewards today. Spongers will gain tokens by staking Sponge before the claim date. You do have the achievements for Sponge V1, just to give you a little quick update there. You also have the P2E Racer, a game that's coming soon, which is going to be a play-to-earn racing game. Which is always going to be big anytime you have anything where you can earn extra cryptocurrency for playing a game. As you know, a lot of people like gaming, it could be really big. I know there's a couple of channels that specialize in crypto gaming, and they love those type of games. So then you would have how to buy and stake, connect your wallet, stake V1 for V2, buy to stake your bonus, and then soak up for Sponge V2. The allocation or the tokenomics for V2, you have 43% to staking rewards, 7% towards marketing, 4% towards game development, 8% towards P2E rewards, and then 10% towards CEX liquidity, as well as 26.93% for bridged Sponge. Now, if we go into CoinMarketCap and look at the position, it's currently sitting at 33% of a penny. And if we look at the last month, or let's look at the last year, so it's only really for the last month, it's going to be 253% of an increase over that time frame. From the launch date of February 9th, 2024, all the way until where we are today, it's up 252%. And we're seeing it at $130 million market cap. It does have about $100,000 worth of volume. So the more volume you have in there, obviously, the better. But it makes sense with the volume because you do have, kind of a limited amount of exchanges. But the best part of this is, as you saw from the website, now's your chance to buy into Sponge before the bigger and better exchanges come on, which is honestly a big thing, because if you do have those bigger and better exchanges, right, seeing tier 2, tier 1, S tier exchanges, that's where you start to see a lot of that volume come into play. And I think the big change and the big thing that we see here is, Polygon and having that ability to purchase there, which would be cheaper than doing it through Ethereum, as you do have, Uniswap and, the way to purchase it in V1. You now have the ability to have it a little bit cheaper because everybody seems to be really going that route to kind of branch out from having these Ethereum gas fees that are like $45, $50, and $60, making things cheaper and better for owning and trading this position by paying pennies or dollars, like simple single digit dollars for each transaction. So it's not looking at $45, or the other day I went to go claim something and it was like $6,000, which is crazy for them to even say. I know that wasn't the level that it should have been at, and as I made a trade it was like $45, but as I went to go claim things on the Ethereum network it was $6,000, and I was like, what's up with these gas fees? So it's a different story there. But we know that the popularity will come on as we see more exchanges that do get listed there, or they get listed on exchanges. But ultimately, we already seen 252% increase from that time period up to this high point, which is 41% of a penny. Again, it's at a $130 million market cap. Understand that there are so many things out there that are at a 200, 300, 400, 500 million dollar market cap, where Sponge could be that next best thing to be up there. So make sure you guys go and do some of your own research into it. Look at their Twitter account, which currently their Twitter account has 31,000 followers. And you're going to see all the different posts and where they talk about things and how this has been running a little bit. So since March 8th, you have this pinned post that said, did someone say moon, and how this is picking up, because it has been absolutely making a move during that time period. So I suggest you go and look at all the links that are down below, give it a look. Research it a little bit, see if you like the position, see if it makes sense to make these moves, and if it's ready to absolutely explode. Because again, $100,000 in volume is not a lot of volume. So once you see that level of volume that gets picked up, imagine what will happen in the time being. So guys, check it out, give it a look. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I'm always interested to hear what you guys think about these plays as we talk about them, because you have a ton of different like meme coins that are out there that are in the range of 20 billion, single digit billion, hundreds of millions of dollars, and you have Sponge that's at $130 million, and it honestly can climb that ladder, and it's very interesting to see whether they will or won't do it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out the links down below for Sponge. Check out my links down below for Patreon, as well as for Margex. If you guys want to start trading on Margex, it's a fantastic platform. I've been using it for a very, very long time. I've been trading, things like BTC, at 100x leverage if I wanted to, with a small amount. I've been trading, XRP at a level of 15 to 50x leverage, and, meme coins like, Shiba Inu and Pepe and Dogecoin at up to 25x leverage. So feel free to check that out. The link of that, or link to that, will be in the description. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.